This 2018 K-Z Sportsmen LA 261RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used K-Z is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features sleep 6, awning, microwave, stovetop burner, slide-out, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, air conditioning, water heater, auxiliary battery, DVD player, and 38 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 K-Z Sportsmen LA 261RL is 5,410 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.